Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for coming back for another video. So I have to be honest, I don't really like this guest bathroom right now. It just feels outdated, kind of uncomfortable, and not really the kind of space I want guests using. So I've slowly been trying to turn it into something cleaner, more modern, and just more intentional overall. Not a full renovation all at once, just small upgrades that actually make a big difference. I think this bathroom was a last minute decision. It's very DIY and just out of place. I don't think it was originally supposed to be here. It just looks really bad. Thankfully, it's not the only bathroom in the house. It's just an eyesore and it needs new everything. And the first big upgrade I started with was this Uncle Brown ST12 smart toilet, getting rid of this old outdated one. Yes, we shoveled out the water and had someone come in and install, so I don't have too much footage of the installation, but here I am like caulking the bottom of the toilet. Once he started, he realized there was an irrigation leak outside and the shutoff valve behind the toilet was completely corroded, so the installation took a little extra work. It wasn't the easiest upgrade, but seeing the finished result made it completely worth it. This was the piece that immediately changed how the space feels. What stood out right away is just how much more comfortable it feels in daily use. I like that you don't have to touch it. You can just use this sensor here to open it up and the close button to close it back down. The seat is heated, which is a small detail but makes a big difference, especially in a guest bathroom. I'm just using the remote to show you all of the functions up close, but everything is designed to be completely hands-free. From the adjustable rear and front wash to the warm air dryer, ambient nightlight, which is really convenient, and the automatic flush. It's one of those little details that make the whole bathroom feel so much more comfortable and modern. And the bidet system lets you adjust water temperature and pressure so it feels more gentle and customizable instead of just one standard setting. The self-cleaning nozzle automatically rinses itself before and after each use. One of my favorite features is the smart sensor system. It automatically detects when someone sits down to activate everything. And if I need to lift the lid or seat, I can just wave my foot near the sensor. There's also a manual flush button here on the side. It makes the space feel more comfortable for guests and family, especially with how easy it is to use without needing to overthink anything. And if anything, I can just turn off all the automatic functions. It can be manual as well. It also comes with a foam shield feature that helps reduce splashing and keeps the bowl fresher. We haven't started using it regularly yet because the kids are still getting used to seeing the water change color, but it's nice to have the option. Little things like that throw them off, so I'm trying to keep it familiar as possible for them. For cleaning, I'm just using my usual Clorox disposable toilet wands, and everything wipes down really easy. Even the inside of the bowl is pretty simple to maintain, so it doesn't feel like extra work compared to a regular toilet. And while I'm still working on finishing this bathroom, this was the first upgrade that actually made it feel like it was moving in the right direction. It's one of those things where you don't think about it until you actually use it every day, and then you realize how much of a difference it makes, and it's so comfortable. I even use this bathroom more now. I need like 2 or 3 more of them. The kids noticed the difference right away too. They were curious about all the different functions, especially the nightlight and the washing features, and it just turned into one of those small moments where something practical also feels kind of fun for them to see. It's been nice having something in the house that feels a bit more family friendly and easy for everyone to use. It also has plasma sanitation, which helps purify the air and keep the inside of the bowl much more hygienic between uses. Overall, this was the first step in turning this extra guest bathroom into a space that feels more modern, practical, and comfortable for everyday use. If you're thinking about upgrading your bathroom or making your home feel a bit more functional and comfortable, this is the Uncle Brown ST12 Smart Toilet. I'll have all the links in my description for you. Okay, so onto this shower. I found this clear shower liner on Amazon. I didn't know it was going to be this clear. It's like completely see-through. I was thinking more of a frosted look, but it'll do for now. I also picked up some more linen curtains. I had some extra ones that I didn't need around the house, so I wanted to see how it would look in here. You know, the look where people bring the curtain all the way up to make it look longer and taller. I don't know, girl, I'm trying to make it look better. Anyways, this is how it looked at first, and I felt like I needed some more, so I picked up another box on Amazon, another 2 panels, and I feel like it completed the look much better. Now it's time for the old tension rod to go because it just doesn't look right. I wanted to change it to a matte black one. Also, the shower hooks. I've never seen these before. Did not know they were going to look like this, but they will do for now. I got a shower light because why isn't there one in here? So I picked up one of those, and it's just one of the easy install ones. I have some more caulking for the tub and wall because I am going to refinish the tub. I didn't do it in this video, but I will. And there's the 2 more panels of curtains that I got. I do want to get some hooks to hold these back because I don't like how it's kind of like touching the toilet when it's not in use. And this is what I mean about the first tension rod not looking right. I feel like it just looks much better with the black one. I was just comparing it really quick. Look how much better that looks. You can barely even see it. Oh, and then I put the light in too. Has some different colors. I think I would use the yellow one most likely. The white one is like too bright. And there it is with more panels. I think it looks much better like this. Now I just need some hooks or a cute way to tie them up so they don't get in the way. I like it a lot. Okay, now I got a new soap dispenser. I think this matches the bathroom perfectly. It's so cute. Found this also on Amazon. Has a little square bottom. Just, you know, cute, simple, neutral. I got this slim pop-up trash can to fit right in between the tub and the toilet. It's so cute. It's actually metal on the outside and plastic on the inside. I'm assuming very easy to clean. I just need some small trash bags to go with it. Oh, I'm so excited about this. I see it all over TikTok. All the like skincare and shower routine girlies have this, and I've always wanted one. This unlocked a nostalgic memory for me. I remember going to people's house that smelled like this, and I could never put my finger on it, like what the smell was, but when I would go to someone else's house, it would be familiar. Now I know that it was this. It's eucalyptus. After all these years, now I know what the scent is, and I love it. Y'all know when a bathroom is dingy and just like old, you did not want to see what it looked like when we removed the original toilet. Yeah, it definitely needed a deep cleaning and some new caulking around the sink and toilet. That can also contribute to that dingy, kind of musty smell. But there's just something about an unused bathroom that holds this scent. Yeah, the eucalyptus got it right out. Originally, I was gonna get some really nice floating, like 24-inch wood shelves, but I realized they wouldn't fit in the space. So I found this $19.99 set on Amazon, and girl, it does the trick. Those other shelves were like $50, and then when I scrolled down, it would say frequently returned item, you know, on Amazon. But with floating shelves, they sometimes like droop or sag, and it always still feels like it needs a little metal bracket underneath, and this one comes with it. So I just went ahead with this one, and it holds a couple of rolls of bathroom tissue, so that's a plus. Ooh, and guess what I'm gonna do? Cover it up, bare minimum. Out of sight, out of mind, okay? Look, it covers it. You can't even see it anymore, like if it was never there. It's gotta look good, not be perfect. So annoying. I just went ahead and winged it. I'm just really using the bottles and some decor as a gauge to see how far apart I want the shelves to be. And before we switch out the toilet, this was on the back of it, so now I'm just going to put the toilet paper in this little cubby here and then reuse the basket somewhere else. And this is pretty much what it has been looking like. We still need a new mirror, new vanity, and just, you know, new stuff in here. But the toilet, we are loving it so far. So thank you so much to Uncle Brown for sending this. And again, all the links will be in my description. That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you all in the next one.